Arrive in style with this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel and power windows. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.